Hello kids, welcome to the class. Today's topic will be equivalent fraction. So simple definition, or let's say the meaning of equivalent fraction, is the fraction that represent the same value but look different. That is, different numerator or denominator are called equivalent fraction. Meaning is very simple. It means that here, as you can see, there are two fractions. They both have different digit, but still they both are equal. How to identify whether the given two fractions are equivalent or no, that we will be learning today. Okay, so first we will take the first fraction. We will write it down, 1 upon 4. Always remember, in the fraction you will come across this concept where you have to make the denominator same. So whenever you see this question which is related to fraction, try to go and check the denominators. So here you have 1 upon 4, and we will first write the denominator of other fraction, that is 8. Okay, now you have to look at this two given number, 4 and 8. Now you have to think 4 into what will give you 8. It is 4 into 2. Same thing you have to do in the numerator. Now 1 into 2 is 2. So what fraction did you get? 2 upon 8. And is it the same fraction that you see over here? Yes. That means 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8. That means 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 8 are equivalent fractions. Now second question we will take is 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 6. Same step you have to follow. First check the denominator. So first I'll write the first fraction, which is 2 upon 3, and then I'll write the denominator of the second fraction, which is 6. Now as I said, first try to see the relation between the denominators. So 3 into something gives me 6, that I know. So I have to think what it is. It is 3 into 2 gives you 6. And same thing I'll do here. So 2 into 2 gives me 4. So this is the equivalent fraction to 2 upon 3. But is 4 mentioned here? No. It is 3 upon 6. That means 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 6 are not at all equivalent. The last question I'll take is 1 upon 3. And now write the denominator of another fraction, which is 5. Now look at the relation. Can you multiply or divide 3 with anything that will give you answer as 5? No, it is not at all going to give you. So you don't have to go to other step itself. When you see that one place of the fraction is not coming equal, that means the whole fraction is not going to be equivalent fraction. That means 1 upon 3 is not equivalent to 2 upon 5. So this was all for today's class. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.